The Nigerian economy relies heavily on consumption from imports. The port plays a vital economic role in Nigeria because it is the most strategic gateway into the country for goods. Nigeria is strategically located in the international commodity movement market. Nigeria can become a dominant international trade center if we adopt modern and innovative means of handling goods that are shipped from country to country in global trade. There are a number of challenges currently facing the daily operations of the port in Nigeria, such as 1. Absence of a system that controls the weight of the goods that pass through the port. 2. Any driver can get into the port without a background check or permit. 3. Any vehicle can drive into the port premises without a standard check for trucks, containers. 4. No data is collected on every container that comes in and goes out of the port. 5. There is no scheduling for the trucks that arrive at the ports. 6. Truck availability, loading, and unloading times are not controlled. These challenges hinder the operational efficiency and revenue-earning potential of the port. A reliable solution is required to overcome them in order to achieve the full potential of Nigeria's port. We present a simple but powerful solution to tackle these challenges through our unique automation system. Introducing the AutoPort solution. AutoPort is a system that is designed to cut off operational inefficiencies, significantly boost port revenue, increase the productivity of port workers, and ensure safety and security for imports/exports. How AutoPort will work. AutoPort will create control and management regarding 1. Movement of goods to and from the port. A scheduling system will manage the entry and exit of goods. Any company exporting or importing goods will be captured in the management system. The system will receive the goods data and trader data. It will create a single value barcode for any movement of goods. The barcode will allow a driver to enter the port with goods when all the data is already inside a control system. 2. The weight of goods that pass through the port. Before entering the port, a truck will undergo a process of weighing. A piece of weighing information will be inserted automatically or manually according to the barcode the driver receives through a queuing procedure. 3. Vehicular movement on the roads leading into and from the port. By knowing the daily and weekly movements of vehicles, the system will send an invitation to the driver to move into the port and arrive at a particular time. This will reduce the pressure on traffic on the roads in the neighborhoods close to the port. 4. Create a source of income to support the system. The authorities will decide on a fixed amount of fee per goods container. The toll will be of low value to the importer/exporter, and it will help control the movement of goods. The fee will support the new activity. It becomes a source of income to the authority once the authority has finished paying for the system or after the BOT period. 5. Manage drivers who are allowed to enter the port. Entering the port area requires understanding the dangers and limitations of movement in the environment. Every driver will be required to register and receive an entry permit tagged License to Drive into Ports, LDP. A driver will undergo professional training, after which he will receive a certificate. The certificate will be biometric and eliminate the possibility of fake. The driver will pay the authority a yearly fee to cover the annual training costs. 6. Manage an annual training system. Any driver who requires permission to drive into the harbor will be trained and supervised under a management system. There will be targeted seminars for licensed drivers and new drivers who want to join the database each year. The system will store the information of all movements of goods that pass the entrances, before and after loading, and container images to avoid cases related to insurance. It will also ensure full control for drivers and incoming containers and guarantee that proper criminal or security background checks are done for all entries. To ensure Nigeria's ports become a lighthouse in West Africa, AutoPort is here to deliver new, innovative systems. AutoPort will be handled and executed by Spake T Group. 1. We have the required tech expertise. 2. Our experts have vast experience working on complex projects. 3. We will provide full manpower training. AutoPort can be implemented within a short time. It will help Nigeria's economy continue to grow and become a true beacon for developing countries. AutoPort, the answer for efficient, safe, and secured port operations.